Hey there, welcome back to my channel. It's great to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a WhatsApp chat shortcut on your home screen. This is a super handy tip that will save you time and make your life easier. So, let's get started. The first step is to open the WhatsApp application on your device. Once you're in the app, go to the chat you want to add a shortcut for. Now, tap on the chat that you want to create a shortcut for. This will open up the chat window. In the top right-hand corner of the chat window, you'll see a three-dot menu. Tap on this menu to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, select Add Shortcut. This will create a shortcut at your home screen. You should now see the chat shortcut on your home screen. You can move it around and place it wherever you like. Just tap on it to quickly access the chat. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments below if there's anything else you'd like me to cover. Until next time, take care.